Morning friends. Today we will discuss on object-oriented programming. So no, by now you know quite a bit of Java programming. Okay. Now we begin to look at Java's most fundamental features, class and objects. Okay. Java is an object-oriented programming. Okay. In an OOP, we also called it OOP, OOPS, object-oriented programming. Okay. In short, in an OOP language, a program is collection of objects that interact with other objects to solve a problem. Each object is an instance of a class. Imagine you are creating a database application for a bookstore. You will need to store data about all the books in the store. Okay, so each book will become an object in your program. Further, each book will have certain characteristics or attributes such as its title, author, publisher, and price. Okay, you may also want to perform certain actions on a book, such as display its details on the computer screen or find its price. So in an OOPS language such as Java, an entity such as a book in the example is referred to as a class. A class is a physical or logical entity that has certain attributes. The title, author, publisher, and price are the data members of the class book. Okay. Displaying book details and getting its price are method members of the class book. Okay. Method members can get, set, or updates the class data members. Here book is the class. Okay, data members are title, author, publisher, genre, price, and method members are display and get price. Okay. So by the using display method, we can display the title, author name, publisher, genre, price. Okay. And by get price, we can also access the price of the book. So to describe one particular book in the library, you would create an object of the class book and fill in all its data members. For example, one book in the library would be an object populated with the following data members. Suppose book is book 1, title is Games of Thrones, author is George R. Martin, publisher Harper Collins, genre fiction, and price 440. Author book would be another object populated with the following data members: book 2. Okay. Fundamental database system is title, author Shyamkant Nawate, publisher Pearson, genre educational, and price 400. You can think of a class as a template from which objects are created. All objects of the same class have the same type of data members. Method members of a class are invoked on an object to perform the action associated with that method. For example, to display the details of book 1, you would call the method member display of the class with book 1 as the invoking object. Okay, to display the details of book 2, you would call the same method member display, but with the invoking object as book 2. Okay, means suppose you have two books, one is of maths and one is of physics. Okay, and if you want to display the details of maths book and your object is math and the function is display, so you will use math.display to display all the information of math book, and you will use physics.display to display the information of the book of physics. So in the math book you used math object, and in the physics book you will use physics object. Okay, so this is the some basic concepts of object oriented programming. Okay,